All right. 500 free stamps. 500 free stamps, and you get paid $1,000 every time someone joins from your Mega Monster 1000 postcard. People, this is an amazing opportunity. Take a look at this. Now, you can easily earn $1,000 daily, and you keep all the profits. All you do is mail this postcard. There are 3 levels to this postcard. When you reach level 3, you get a residual income of $1,000 and 5 books of stamps. Okay, now, when someone joins you, what I'm going to send to you, okay, is 500 free stamps, okay, and 500 full data leads. Let's get down to it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? Also, leave me a comment. I want to know what you think about the presentation. I want to know what you think about the flyer. Okay, people, here we go. Okay, if you want to see this, go to www.allyourmoney.net. That's www.allyourmoney.net, or simply give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. All right, here we go. Now, right here is the meat of everything. Okay, the Mega Monster 1000 package, 500 full data leads, 500 stamps, $1,000 in grocery coupon voucher. Okay, you're gonna get $1,000 in fast food restaurants of your choice. You're gonna get 1 3-day, 2-night trip. Okay, the mailbox cash money marketing kit, and unlimited support. I want you to imagine this. Just 5 people responding to your flyer, okay? And that's 5 people sending you $1,000 that's being processed, okay? That's $5,000, okay? If you get 10 people sending you $1,000, that's $10,000. And the thing is, that's 5 books of stamps that come along with that. That's amazing, people. Okay, but this is what I'm sending to you when you get started. You're gonna get 500 full data leads, 500 stamps. Okay, you're gonna get $1,000 in grocery coupon. You're gonna get $1,000 in fast food coupons of your choice. People, you can't lose with the coupons that you choose. You know the items you like. You know the items that you use. You get to simply pick them out. That's gonna save you hundreds on your grocery bill. Okay? That's gonna save you hundreds. Now, you're gonna send that to box number 1. All right? You're gonna send $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to each person in each box. Right now, there's only 1 person in this box. This is what I call first movers advantage. First movers advantage, because I'm sending this out. Okay? Now, when you get started from my flyer, your name better go into box number 2. That means that person gonna send $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box number 1, $1,000 and 5 books of stamps to box number 2. Now, when you get someone started, you're gonna move to box number 3. People, right here in box number 3 is where you get a residual income of $1,000 and 5 books of stamps over and over again. Okay, that's the residual about that. Okay, now for your people, you don't have to send anything to them. We're sending them the Mega Monster 1000 package. We're sending them 500 full data leads. We're sending them 500 stamps. We're sending them $1,000 in grocery coupon voucher. And we're sending them $1,000 in fast food restaurants. We're sending them 1 3-day, 2-night trip, and we're sending them the mailbox cash money marketing kit. That is as simple as it gets, people. That's as simple as it gets. You just simply go down here, fill in your name, your information right here, and you mail it in. That's all you have to do. Okay? The Mega Monster 1000 postcard, or this can be a flyer. All you do is just mush. Mush means mail until something happens. Mail until something happens. People, I don't know any other program out there, okay, that's going to pay $1,000 and going to give you 500 free stamps to send this flyer or postcard to. That's what we're doing here, okay? You go to www.allyourmoney.net, www.allyourmoney.net, or you could just text me that you want this flyer or this postcard, 346-704-1754. Here it is again, 346-704-1754. It asks for the Mega Monster 1000 with the 5 books of stamps free. Okay, hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. People, get the Mega Monster 1000 right now. Okay, remember, procrastination has lost more fortunes than failure. So take action today. Take action today and earn up to $1,000 daily. You keep all the money. All you do is mail this postcard. Okay, there's 3 levels on it. You get $1,000 residual built into it, along with 5 books of stamps. And also what I'm sending to you is 500 free stamps. You put your lead right here that we're sending to you, okay? Those leads are full data leads. These are people that's involved in network marketing. They're already team builders and they have the money to get started. You have their name, you have their address, you have their cell phone number, you have their email address. Okay, so they're good to go. They're good to go. All you do is mail them your big ticket Mega Monster 1000 postcard or flyer. I hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Okay, Rick Reed here. Go to www.allyourmoney.net. Hope you have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are, and click on that subscribe button. Thank you, and God bless.